Welcome to a daily dose of self-love, a time to connect within and nurture the most important relationship of our whole lives, the relationship with our own inner self. Together, we will tune out the external world and tune inward to develop self-awareness, peace, joy, and love, and move in the direction of our greatest, most best self. You give so much to others all day. This is your time to give to you. In today's meditation, we meditate on the idea that we attract everything in our lives through our thoughts. And in this meditation, you are guided to notice your thoughts, maybe recurring stories that you think about and ponder, worries or concerns, and we release those in a conscious meditation where we are fully supported by our divine guidance, the earth and the sky. And creating this spaciousness opens us up to receive more wisdom, to receive our desires coming true, to attract what we truly want in this life. And so you'll be guided to visualize, have a beautiful visualization. You'll see. You'll have a beautiful visualization and you'll be guided to receive some beautiful messages. And I hope you enjoy this meditation. Let's jump into our meditation. Feel free to light a candle, play some special music. When you feel ready, you can turn your outer gaze inward. And we choose in this moment to turn inward, to nurture the most important relationship we have, the relationship with our own inner self. And we say thank you for this opportunity to be here now, to have this opportunity to explore ourselves, to learn new things, to deepen inward, to fill with more love and more light. We trust that this meditation unfolds for our highest good and the highest good of all those in our lives. We take a deep breath into this trust. We feel our feet firmly planted on the ground, our roots growing strong and deep. Mother Earth's hands reach out and hold you here, where you belong on this earth. Breathe in and out with Mother Earth, giving and receiving in balance. Bring your awareness to your crown, your connection to source energy, to the sun, to the sky. Visualize your connection growing brighter, more vibrant, stronger, colorful. Breathe with this connection. Receiving and giving with your breath. Bring your awareness into your heart, where spirit and matter combine. Earth and sky lives in our heart. Take a deep breath into your heart. And as you breathe, allow this earth and sky energy to fill your physical body. Allow this earth and sky energy to fill the space around you as you inhale. And as you exhale, feel yourself relax more deeply into your bones. Your bones can relax. Your eyes can relax. Your mind can relax. We allow all of our thoughts to just be. If we notice a thought, we allow it to float away. We just stay focused on our breath. Bring your awareness and your attention to your thoughts of the recent past. Do you notice certain thoughts replaying in your mind? Do you notice some sticky areas in your thoughts? Some thoughts of discomfort or struggle, thoughts of, thoughts of criticism or lack, not enough, not good enough. Notice what your recent thoughts may have been. Bring your awareness and your attention to recurring stories that might be playing. Is there a certain story that you've been replaying in your mind that you feel some tension around that you'd like to release? Let that story come to mind, that worry or stressor come to mind. Breathe into your heart, and as you exhale, allow this worry or stress to move further and further away from you. Notice which direction this worry, thought, or story, or stressor moves. Which direction does it move in? And as you exhale, allow this to continue moving further and further away. And in doing so, we release its grip on us. We release its hold on us. We create space for new thoughts. We know that if we stay in thoughts of worry, we know that if we stay in thoughts of discomfort or stress or criticism or stories that replay, we know that if we stay in these thoughts, we cannot receive and attract what we truly desire. Our thoughts are so powerful, creating this space of attraction like a magnet. The more we think these thoughts of discomfort, stress, worry, the more we receive that. And so in this moment, we consciously choose to release our worry, release our stories, and begin again. We do not need to be so attached to those stories and worries, because we know that life unfolds in our highest good. And in this spaciousness, we allow for new ideas, new solutions, new creative openings, new beginnings to flow through us. Maybe there's another story or worry bubbling up. Continue breathing deeply, exhaling out, allowing this little worry bubble to move further and further away from you. We affirm that we attract goodness into our lives. We affirm that we let go of worries and stories with ease. We affirm that we create space and openness for something new, for new beginnings. We trust the divine unfolding of life. What new thoughts would we like to put in place of what we released? Going into your heart, the center of your wisdom, this place where you can access and bring to life, bring forth what it is you wish and desire. What new thoughts can you find within your being? In your mind's eye, let's envision some beautiful little heart bubbles that flow around you. They just float and move around you, these beautiful little heart bubbles, almost like little schools of fish that would surround your feet in the ocean. We see these beautiful little heart bubbles floating around ourselves. There's so many of them, all of these beautiful thoughts just waiting for us to receive them, to know them, to access them, to be open to these beautiful thoughts, these beautiful desires. Everything that we wish to come to us is right there. Little heart bubbles floating around us. And so, playfully, in your mind's eye, visualize yourself reaching out, grabbing a hold of one of these beautiful heart bubbles. Maybe there's one that's particularly vibrant. And it goes around and it goes around, and you try to get it like a child would if they were playing in a pond. And you receive this beautiful heart bubble, and you say thank you. Just feel the excitement within you build with the anticipation. What is in this little heart bubble? What gift will I receive? What message? What new thoughts will I be able to burst into my being? Will I be able to absorb and receive? When you feel ready, playfully open this little heart bubble and allow whatever is there to be received by the wisdom of your heart. And maybe there's another bubble that is shining bright, that wishes to be known by you. Go ahead and reach out for this bubble and receive this bubble. And if there's one more, go ahead, choose one more. Allow the energy of these words to permeate deeply into your heart, into your body, into the space surrounding you, nourishing you and filling you with goodness, love, light. Ah. And notice how you feel in this moment. Do you feel excited? Do you feel relaxed or calm? Do you feel anticipation? Do you feel joy? Do you feel peace? We say thank you for these beautiful gifts. We remember going forward that each thought creates our reality. We choose positivity. We choose openness. We choose connection. We choose spaciousness. We choose trust. We release anything in the way of us shining our brightest light into the world. And we say thank you. When you feel ready, you can take a deep breath and begin to move your body. You can gently open your eyes and find your way to your journal as we reflect on our meditation, our inner wisdom, our new awarenesses, ourselves in this moment. And set your timer for at least 8 minutes or so to allow yourself the opportunity to write and reflect. Set your timer for at least 8 minutes or so. Or if you have more time and space, give yourself the freedom to write for as long as it feels good to you. Allow yourself to express whatever words you find within your heart from your meditation, what you may be releasing, the messages that you received in your meditation. And I hope you enjoy this process, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.